What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So I sound like crap right now because literally I just woke up and I just made some wonderful coffee, some cafecito, because your girl, I'm still tired, but it's just that one thing like where you just wake up, and I felt like I just woke up and I needed to make a video for you guys. So here I am, gonna drink some coffee and make a video. So cheers, good morning, good afternoon, all that good stuff. Okay, so first off, I went to Sacramento, like, what was it, 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago? Yes. I went to Sacramento 2 days ago. I went to the mall that they have there, and I got some goodies. I'm actually wearing one of the tops that I got. There's this store called Cozy Fox, and they have some really cute stuff for a really good price. Like, I really recommend the store. It's awesome and I love it. This is my second time buying like clothing items from them, and it's really good quality and everything. So yeah, if you have a Cozy Fox near you, then I would check it out because they have some really cute stuff there. So anyways, since I got the shirt, me and my husband, we were walking around, and of course I wanted to go into Michael Kors. So we were on the hunt for like a new wallet to match my purse, but then, if you don't know, Michael Kors does sell clothing items and stuff, and shoes, which they have some pretty cute like tennis shoes that have like olive nude tones in it, which really cute. But I found some of these, some cute loafers for women, and what I love about these is it has a rose gold accent to like the strings. These are really cute. And then it has the rose gold accent on the back as well. So I really like these. I can't wait to wear these for like work and stuff, or just going out in general. And then I went to the Morphe store because the mall in Sacramento has Morphe in there. And I picked up the new Jeffree Star times Morphe times Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio. So it's called the Ultimate Threesome, which is funny, but we're gonna be trying this out today. And then this is like a pink theme. I wanted to try the Glow recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this smells so good. It just smells like a sour watermelon. I don't know, it smells really good. It smells like that when it goes on your face, but doesn't linger on. It actually, like, the smell will dissipate, it'll go away. And pretty much the way you wear this is you put it on at night, like a good amount, and a good layer, and then the next morning you can wash it off with a warm washcloth. And then the second way you can wear it, from what it was saying, is you can wear it like an actual mask, where you put it a good amount on your face again, and then you wait 10 minutes and then you remove it with lukewarm water again. I'm gonna keep on using it. I only used it once, so let's see if I will start to get some glowy skin on this face, because it says glowy radiance plus softening. So that has to be great, because who doesn't want to be radiant and who doesn't want to be glowy and have baby butt soft skin, right? Okay, so if you guys been watching my channel, you should know that I love glowy skin, glowy foundation, anything that's like dewy, I'm all for. So I wanted to try out the LAURAMERCIER Flawless Lumiere Radiance-Perfecting Foundation. I got the shade Latte. The number is 3N1.5. So the only thing, to be honest, it was kind of hard to find my shade. So we'll test it out today to see if it's actually good, because you know, you go to Sephora and like their lighting sometimes is like kind of off. So I'm gonna see at my home right now. So we're gonna do a first impressions with the Laura Mercier new foundation that they came out with. And I'll show you the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty sleek. Focus. It has a nice pump. And this, how many ounces is this? 1 fluid ounce, which is always standard pretty much for the foundation realm. So let's go ahead and get into a first impressions with the Laura Mercier foundation, and we're gonna try out these sponges because I've never tried out Morphe sponges. Let me know if you guys have and if you like their sponges. So yeah, I hope you like this like little mini haul, but let's get into the good stuff, some foundation, because I love me some foundation. I threw my hair up in a big ass bun for my short ass hair. I just threw it all the way up. We got some hairs that fell down, but whatever. So let's get on with the skin. I went ahead and dampened my sponges and they got pretty big. So taking them out of the packaging, they felt like way hard, like super like stiff, but getting in them all damp and stuff, it feels definitely softer. So that's great. I still have a sample of my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. So this is going strong. So I need a mirror. So I'm still using that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to certain areas of my skin to prime. You guys interested, like, did you go out and buy like the new Jeffree Star brushes? They did have them in the Sacramento Mall, but I didn't buy them. I don't know, they were really cute and they looked really nice and stuff in person. I really wanted the individual the spoolie, the one where you can do like multiple things with, like your eyebrows, or you can maybe do like liner with it. I really just wanted that brush, but yeah, I didn't get it. I was more interested in just getting the sponges, so I got the sponges. But yeah, let me know if you bought those brushes and if you actually really like them. Okay, so with this foundation, what does it claim? Flawless Lumiere Radiance-Perfecting Foundation delivers a perfectly luminous finish that looks flawless in any light. The weightless, medium to full coverage formula looks and feels like a second skin. Over time, for lasting radiance, hydrates, visibly smooths and softens, provides 15 hours of moisturization. That sounds pretty dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. It doesn't say to shake. Does it say anything? Apply to clean skin, blah, blah, blah. Flawless finish makeup sponge for best results. I'm gonna go ahead and pump that to the back of my hand. I don't know how much to use. That's kind of thick. Like, it's slowly running down my hand. Usually for like full coverage stuff, it'll be like a thicker consistency, usually. Okay. But it feels really good. I apply this to the skin. Okay, going with the Jeffree Star sponge. Okay, this definitely feels way denser, like a little bit more tough than a regular beauty blender. I feel like the beauty blender is way softer and more spongy, but it's blending out really good. And this foundation already looks super, what the fuck, it looks so radiant, as it says. just with that layer alone, it looks so pretty on the skin. Okay, I definitely need more. So where did I put it at? Put it over here. That's like, what, 2 pumps, 1.5. And I believe this foundation is a medium to full. Okay. I like to go over the lips. Okay, right now I'm seeing it as a medium because I still can see some of my freckles. You guys, look how radiant that is. Okay, I'm already liking it. I feel like you can tell when you like a foundation off the bat, like, because I know how it reacts to my skin once you place it on. And this looks really, really pretty. What do you guys think? And I think I picked out a good color. It was kind of hard for me to pick out a color. I would like to think that I'm tanner than what I really am. I know I pretty much lost my tan for my vacation a few months ago, so that's kind of sad, but whatever. Wow, I really like it. It's really pretty. We might as well keep this Laura Mercier, like the makeup, and we're gonna use the concealer. I'm in shade 2W, so I'm gonna apply. Okay, and let's see what the two mini sponges, 2 mini highlight and contour beauty sponges. All right, let's try the mini one to blend this concealer out. This one feels softer than the bigger sponge, but it still has that same feel, but it doesn't feel harsh under the eyes, and it blended out that concealer so nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm using my other mini sponge from the Jeffree Star. Oh wow. Okay, this sponge is really good. Okay, so I am back. I use the Butter Bronzer, is what it's called, the Physicians Formula, and this smells so good. It smells amazing. So I love that bronzer. I also did use a little bit of MAC Give Me Sun because that's like my favorite bronzer. I need to go find more bronzers. I kind of want to try the Marc Jacobs one or maybe a drugstore one. But yeah, so I also put some highlight on. I pretty much trying to keep most of the stuff in the Laura Mercier family, but I use the translucent, but this is the glow, and I have the little mini one, the travel one. I got it in my Sephora awards thing that you can choose stuff and use your points, and it's just really kind of like a natural glow, kind of glow within. I feel like it's really pretty. But as far as the foundation, let me grab my mirror. As far as this foundation goes, I'll get closer. It's really, really pretty. I mean, I always get my smile lines because I have really bad smile lines. So with any foundation, that's always, for some reason, always well, not for some reason, it's always creasing on me, but everywhere else it looks like a smooth finish. I didn't set this part of my face, and it doesn't feel like wet or tacky or sticky or anything like that. It feels like it kind of set on its own because it just feels really nice on the skin. Yeah, I really like this foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and set it and see how it mixes with my Morphe setting mist spray. So let's go ahead and mist our face. I love this spray. It's so good and it smells amazing. Okay. I don't see anything breaking up or anything like that. Guys, I like this foundation. The next foundation I wanted to try out is the Dior glowy one. They came out with the glowy foundation and a matte foundation, and of course I want to try the glowy one. That it's more like hydrating. I did swatch it in Sephora, and it was really hard to choose between the LAURAMERCIER one or the Dior one. So that might be the next foundation that I try. I did want to try also the Hourglass one, but it was thick, and I know I have really bad smile lines, so I guess I would have to try it. I don't know how it would do so well with like my creasing and stuff. Like they'll get like cakey, so maybe I'll have to try it. Maybe that might be the next one, although that one was really expensive. But yep, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. The sponges from Jeffree Star and Morphe were great. I actually like them. They blended out everything seamless. Texture is a little bit different, but that doesn't bug me. I like it, so I'm going to continue to use that. And the foundation, I actually really like it. I'm going to keep on using it and see if maybe my opinion changes, but for right now I am liking this foundation really well. Yeah, it makes my skin look flawless, radiant, all of the above, and it's a win for me. So yeah, if you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please write down a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what makeup you want me to try out, all of that good stuff. And don't forget to click on that bell that is on the left hand screen, because that way once you click on the bell, it'll notify you every time I post a video. And I'm gonna try to get a whole lot more videos out for you. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.